Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we have a stinky situation to address. Why does your vacuum cleaner smell like vomit? Don't worry, we've got the answers you need. Let's dive right in. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Have you ever noticed a nauseating smell coming from your vacuum cleaner? It's not only off-putting, but can also make cleaning a dreadful experience. But fear not, we're here to help you get to the bottom of this smelly mystery. Common causes. Before we tackle the solutions, let's understand why your vacuum cleaner might smell like vomit. There are a few common culprits behind this unpleasant odor. Firstly, a dirty or clogged vacuum filter can trap dirt, dust, and even liquids, leading to a putrid smell. Secondly, if you have furry friends at home, pet hair can accumulate and mix with debris, creating a truly odorous concoction. Lastly, if you've accidentally vacuumed up liquid or food waste, the residual particles can produce a vomit-like stench. Solutions and preventive measures. Now that we know the causes, let's dive into some practical solutions to banish that awful smell from your vacuum cleaner for good. First, start by cleaning or replacing the vacuum filter regularly. This will prevent the accumulation of dirt and liquids, keeping the air fresh and odor-free. Next, make it a habit to remove any pet hair or debris trapped in the brush roller vacuum head. Lastly, always empty the vacuum bag or canister after each use to prevent food waste or liquids from spoiling and causing foul odors. Proactive maintenance. To ensure your vacuum cleaner remains odor-free, it's essential to follow some proactive maintenance steps. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.